I laid out a 45 using these two different squares. And some of you guys said I cheated when I did it. Let's find out. So in a previous video, we talked about using a regular carpenter speed square for laying out 45s on metal with a large roll on it. And how that large roll, when you hook it with a speed square, can throw off the angle and not give you a true line of where you actually want to mark. So we're gonna do this demonstration again. We're gonna lay out a brand new piece of 4x4 tubing without any edits or any cuts, just to prove that I'm not cheating. We got a block, we got our square, and what we wanna do is make a 45 right through here, just like this. We wanna make a mark. And we're gonna bump this edge into this square, just like that. You can see we're touching. I'm not doing anything fancy, let's just make a mark. There you go. You can see that? There's our nice tight scribe line. Now theoretically, this line should be headed straight to that corner. Now let's use the miter square. The miter square uses a long leg, and let's do the same thing. Well, first of all, take a look at that. We can see that the lines don't match. We're off 1/8 of an inch. Let's scribe this line. There you go, there's two lines. Do you see how they're different there? So why is this square doing this? Well, the speed square is pushed too far forward. It's not actually referencing off the side. So if I were to cut that line, it's not gonna actually go through the center, unfortunately. And that will screw you up. Yeah, that's a big difference right there. All right, you saw the difference on 4x4. What's the difference on something like this? Look how big of a roll that is. And we wanna 45 this. So let's do it again. Okay, we're in, we're gonna scribe a line. There's our line. Okay. Now let's use the miter square to do the same thing. Wow, look how far off that is. That is a lot. 3/16 of an inch. That's bad. Real bad. So I make these tools for myself. I'm a welder fabricator and I like accuracy, and this is what I came up with to solve this carpenter's problem. So here's the deal. You can get 1, 2, 3 squares for about 36 bucks at the Fireball Tool website. So you can get the 2-pack, the little square and the big square for 26 bucks. I wanted these squares to be reasonably priced. They're made out of stainless steel. They got laser etching in them. If it happens to get bent or damaged, it's not the end of the world. You can pick up another one. They're not that expensive. They're designed to be thrown around and be abused. But this solves the problem that I've always had with the carpenter square. Until then, see you on the next one. Thank you guys for watching.